Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PayPal account tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lift restriction on your PayPal account and fix account problem on your PayPal account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Chrome browser or open whatever browser that is available to you. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your PayPal account. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and enter my PayPal account details. Then verify your account security for login. Then proceed to your account email, your PayPal email to get your login code. So here we go. This is the login verification code. So go ahead and get your code 5186 518612. Then click on continue to log into your account. You can no longer use PayPal as we have decided to permanently limit your account after review. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on here to proceed to the detail. Then here you go. We need some info from you. We want to confirm that the information in your account is accurate, as we notice some suspicious activities in your account. To understand this better, we will require some information from you. This depends on the kind of restriction you have on your account. The next thing you want to do is to check on the impact on the account. Click on here to fill the impact, and then here you go. Then paying using PayPal, you can use PayPal for payment. You can refer money to the customer in your PayPal account, and you can only receive money or payment in your PayPal account. And even if you would receive money, you cannot withdraw. This is what it means right here. So I have been limited to about 2 features right here. Why the most critical part of PayPal function has been disabled. You can click on view all right here. This allows you to see all restriction that has been on your account, just like what you see right here. What is the impact on your account? Using PayPal, send money or payment, withdraw money from PayPal, add money to PayPal account, add bank card. All these crossing right here are not allowed on this account. How can you fix this problem without any stress? Simply go ahead and click on close right here, and then you'll be taken right here. Then scroll down right here. The only thing to do to resolve this issue is to upload a photo ID, which must be a government issue ID card, which can be national ID card of your country or your international passport. Just go ahead and click on resolve right here. Once you click on resolve, upload a photo ID. Your document needs to be valid and legit. The submitted information on the document must be correspondent with the information on your PayPal account. What this simply means is that the legal name on your international passport or national ID card must be the name you have on your PayPal account dashboard. Then your document should not include selfie or images of people, just only you. We will handle your information in accordance with our privacy and policy. You can read that. Then your document should not be protected. That is, you should not add a password protected document. Next thing you want to do to scroll down right here and go ahead and click on document type right here. So as at the time of making this video, driver's license is allowed, passport is allowed, national identity card is allowed, official government issue photo ID is allowed. Anyone you have right here, just go ahead and then click on it right here. And then once you click on the passport type, you want to make sure you go ahead and upload your image of the passport, which can either be JPEG, GIF, PNG, PDF, and the file size should not be more than 5 megabytes. All you have to do is to make sure you click on add a file right here, select your passport photo or means of identity photo, upload it, and finally click on submit. Within 24 hours, PayPal will get back to you, and the restriction and limitation on your account will be lifted without any stress. It's that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add a file right here. and then go ahead and click on photo or video. Just locate where you have your passport ID. So I have my passport right here. Having selected my passport, you can see the file size is now up to 5 megabytes. So that is only when you can be successful upload your passport. Go ahead and click on submit right here. Your information has been submitted and you are done. Go to account limitation and then the problem on your account will be successfully fixed. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about PayPal topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.